Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is 2 ways to roast your peanut without garri or sound. Yes, a lot of people find it so difficult to roast their peanut, but just bear in mind that roasting peanuts is one of the easiest jobs you can do in your kitchen. Yes, it is as easy as that. Without further ado, let's dive into the video so that I can show you how I came up with this beautiful and crispy peanut you are seeing on my countertop. The first way is stovetop method, alright, and before we do that, we are going to select the bad or rotten ones out because a lot of them are rotten. Okay, so if you fry them together with the good ones, they are going to mess up the whole production. So for that, we are going to select it very carefully, and this particular part is very important. We are using 2 cups. For this particular part, you can also use as many cups depending on how many people you are making it for. Okay. After selecting all the bad peanuts out of the good ones, I will go ahead to add a little boiled water in a clean bowl and a little salt as well to taste in the water and mix until the salt dissolves. Once that is done, I will pour the selected groundnut in the water and salt solution and mix until the peanuts are cooked down. All the peanuts are coated with the salt. Okay, next is to spread them on a clean tray and allow to dry up before roasting or frying, better still under a sun. But I will cover the peanuts with a cheesecloth to avoid flies or ants from perching on them. The peanuts are dried. As you can see, we are going to roast it on a stove top, but before then we'll preheat the pan we are going to use. Once the pan preheats, I will go ahead to add or pour the peanuts and start roasting without removing my hands to avoid burns. Please like this video if you have not done so, as you remain blessed. Keep watching. So let's check the peanuts. As you can see, the peels are a bit hard to remove, meaning we still need to roast further. Please, before I forget, I am roasting on a low heat. It is very important to roast on a low heat. Don't roast on a high heat, okay, to avoid burnt or the peanuts roasting or burning outside but not roasted inside. Alright, that is very important. And here, let's check the peanuts again. As you can see, the peanuts are well roasted, and that is the reason why the peels are very easy to remove, and their color has changed as well from fresh to roasted. And the next thing is to remove from the heat and pour on a tray and set aside to cool down a bit before the next step. Once the peanuts cool down a bit, not much, so air will not enter it, then store in an airtight container and keep in a dry place. But for me, I am not storing this particular one in a container but rather in a waterproof, while our Ghanaian friend over here call it rubber. After carefully pouring all in the waterproof, I would then transfer in the ziplock, and here it is. Yeah, store in a cool dry place. Okay, I will use this particular peanut with peels or skin for my Tom Brown products. It is very important to me, or my roasted plantain or even tapioca, because they are extremely healthy. Google to know the health benefit of groundnut skins and thank me later. The second way is oven method. Here I will add 2 cups of peanut in a clean bowl and soak with some boiled water for 5 minutes. Once after 5 minutes, I will drain the water out and add some salt to taste and mix the salt and the peanuts to combine. Once that is beautifully done, I will go ahead to spread the peanut on a clean tray and keep under an airy place, preferably under a sun. I will cover with my cheesecloth, clean cheesecloth, to avoid dirt from entering it. Okay, the peanut is fully dried, as you can see. Next is to transfer it to a preheated oven to roast under 350 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. But in between this time range, I will be checking them off the camera. Alright, after some minutes of roasting, let's check the peanut and see how they are doing, and I can find out that their skin and peels are still intact but will loosen up very soon. And here the second method is ready because the skin is loosened. I will remove from the oven and allow it to cool down a bit before the next step. The peanuts are perfectly okay to peel off their skin, and I will start doing that carefully to make sure they don't break apart. After peeling off the skin, I will use my strainer to separate the skin from the whole peanut. But if you have all the time, you can go ahead to pick them one after the other. There is no problem about that. Once I'm done separating the skin from the peanut, I will go ahead to store in an airtight container just like so. The peanuts are very clean and they are seriously calling my name. Who else noticed that? And here is the unpeeled peanut we roasted earlier. You can use any one you prefer at any time and any day. Okay, yeah, for me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed. Please like this video, like the video if you have not liked it, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.